forget to like, and if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing. Okay, we're going to cut this zucchini up, take all the seeds out, and then we're going to blanch it, and then we're going to vacuum seal it and put it in the freezer. And as you can tell, this is a pretty large zucchini. We'll use a spoon to take the seeds out, and once we get this cut up, then we're going to dice it up. Now we'll cut these up in an inch square and get them ready for blanching. Now I can move fast when I want to. Looky there. I'm cutting that up so fast and not one finger ever left my hand. All right, we got them all in this bowl here. We're going to put them in this colander, and we're going to rinse them and wash them a little more and get them ready for the hot water. Okay, we got them washed off really good. Now we're getting them into this water. It's already hot. It looks like one or two went overboard there. Didn't want to get in that hot water. Then we'll let them go in there for about 3 minutes and pull them out. And we'll drain all the hot water off, and then we'll put the zucchini into this ice water bath. Stop the cooking process. And while that's cooling down, we're getting our tray out. Going to put some parchment paper on there so we can spread this zucchini out over it. And we'll spread it out as evenly as we can, you know, get a good layer out there on that parchment paper, and then we'll put another piece on top of this and put out another layer. Now that layer's finished, and we'll get the other paper, put on top of that, and we'll spread the rest of them out on this. Okay, we got all the zucchini spread out. Now we're going to go put it in the freezer, and we're going to let it set in there for about a couple hours or so. And then we'll come back, take it out, it'll be frozen, and then we'll vacuum seal them. Okay, I believe the zucchini is ready to vacuum seal. We're going to make us up some bags here real quick. And we'll get the zucchini out of the freezer. And I believe it's going to be frozen pretty solid there. Yep. Now, if you hadn't froze it, this zucchini, when you vacuum seal it, would probably vacuum down to mush. It'd squeeze it in so hard. That's the reason we freeze it. And now let's get them all vacuum sealed. And we will mark and date them. Now this was put up from 2 very large zucchinis. We ended up with 6 bags. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.